So simply, if you want to uh, give up a option to attach a file or a written photo to your Google Forms answer, so all you need to do is to go on new, and first I will create a form. Okay, so I will edit this question. By default it is multiple choice, so here you have seen these are options. So what I will click on file upload. Okay, so it will give the form. Okay, so the as it says, files will be uploaded to the form's owner's Google Drive. Means as a student, if I upload a file from here, it will you the creator of this form will get this in your uh, will get this in his respective Google Drive. Respondents will be required to sign in, and the other thing of this feature is that no one can upload a file without signing in the form. Okay, so simply just click on this. Okay, so allow only specific file of types. I am recommending it to uncheck this option, don't click this options. Okay, so the sender will be free to send any kind of file. Click on sample. I'm making a question up here. So maximum file size, I keep it to 100 MB just for emergency case. Okay, and the minimum number of files, suppose if the child does not know how to make PDF, so he can send multiple photos of his answer. So you can click on 10, and I'm checking required, and I'm sending this to my other account. Okay, copying this link, and I am sending this link. So now opening this account. I'm opening this file. I'm opening this form as a student now. So now, as you can see, the student gets the option to add a file here. So this window will get open, and in the phone also same thing happens. Now the student can simply select his file. So let me open one of my assignments. So okay, maths assignment, and I'll click on upload. Simply upload it, and I will click on submit. So now from the view of the creator, let's see the form. Okay, so as you can see, the file gets uploaded and it will be available in your Google Drive of the creator. So this account of mine was the creator. So let me see whether the file has come here or not. Okay, so as you can see, the thing which I submitted from the uh, Google form up here is now here as my maths assignment of the year. So I can simply click on my form and check for the responses. So just before I have responded it with my other account, so you can see the file I have uploaded as a student. My name also comes up here. So this is all I wanted to tell. Thank you.